You've seen it happen. A project starts clean, tidy folders, sensible naming, clear architecture. Then someone takes a shortcut. A function that should have been refactored gets a comment instead. TODO, fix this later. Later never comes. Another developer sees that TODO and thinks, well, if they cut corners here, I guess I can too. And just like that, the rot begins. It has a name. It's called software entropy. And today, we're going to fight back. The concept comes from a theory you've probably heard of, the broken window theory. The idea is simple. If a building has one broken window and nobody fixes it, soon there'll be more. The signal isn't just that the window is broken. The signal is that nobody cares. Software works the same way. One broken window in your codebase, a bad design decision left unrepaired. A function that's grown to 200 lines. A workaround that was supposed to be temporary. That broken window tells every developer who walks past it. This place isn't maintained. Standards don't matter here, and here's the scary part. Neglect spreads faster than quality. It's psychologically easier to add another hack next to an existing hack than it is to clean up the first one. People rationalize further damage once damage already exists. It was already messy, what's one more? So what do? You fix broken windows, not next sprint, not when you have time. The moment you see them, see a bad design, fix it, see a wrong decision that's been lingering. Reverse it, see poor code that makes you wince, clean it up right now before it spreads. Now I know what you're thinking. I can't stop my feature work every time I see a code smell. And you're right, sometimes you genuinely can't do the full fix in the moment. That's when you board it up. Drop a TODO with context, not just fix this but why it's broken and what the fix should look like. Create a tracked issue, add a stub, leave a visible signal that says, someone saw this, someone cares, and this will be dealt with. The key word is visible. A broken window you quietly know about is still a broken window. A broken window with a TODO sticker on it tells the next developer, we haven't forgotten. There's a principle that pairs perfectly with this. It's called the Boy Scout rule, and it's dead simple. Leave every file cleaner than you found it. Every time you touch a file, whether you're adding a feature, fixing a bug, or updating a dependency, you leave it a little better than when you opened it. Maybe you rename a confusing variable. Maybe you remove a dead import. Maybe you break up a function that's gotten too long. It doesn't have to be a full rewrite. Small, consistent improvements, that's what compounds. This isn't about being a perfectionist, it's about direction. If every commit makes the code base 1% cleaner, you're moving toward quality. If every commit leaves it the same or worse, entropy wins by default. So here's your action plan. 3 things you can do today. 1. Pick one module, just one, and scan it for the worst broken window. The function nobody wants to touch, the hack with the most TODOs. Find it and either fix it or quarantine it with a well-documented issue. 2. Adopt the Boy Scout rule, starting with your next pull request. Every file you touch gets at least one small improvement. Even if it's just a better comment. 3. Make technical debt visible. Create a dedicated board or label in your issue tracker. Every broken window gets logged. Nothing gets swept under the rug. If it's tracked, it can be planned. If it's planned, it can be killed. Remember, neglect is contagious. But so is craftsmanship. When your teammates see you fixing broken windows, they'll start fixing them too. Quality is a culture, and it starts with one developer who decides that good enough isn't good enough. Fix the window, leave the campsite cleaner, and don't let entropy win. I'll see you in the next one.